Leon Edwards out to prove UFC's blunder by schooling Khamzat Chimaev. It's going to be a shock. I was calling out the so-called top guys in the UFC, Gilbert Burns, Jorge Masvidal, Colby Covington, for over a year, and they kept turning the fight down. Edwards told MMA Junkie on Wednesday, so I thought, okay, what's the best option? Stephen Wonderboy Thompson called me out, but if I go out there and beat Wonderboy, it does nothing for my career, and I'm in the same position I'm in now. So I thought, what's the next best thing outside the champion? It's to fight the most hyped guy right now in the division, which I believe is this kid. The UFC loves him, Dana White loves him. If I go out there and smoke him, let's see what they say. I feel I'll be guaranteed a title shot after this. Khamzat Chimaev weighing in on potential matchup with Kamaru Usman, Israel Adesanya. Usman is a good fighter but doesn't have that knockout punch like I have, and he doesn't have wrestling like me. Chimaev said in a recent interview with Dan Hardy, what is he going to do? If I do my hard work in the gym, nobody can beat me in the fight. Chimaev credited Adesanya for his striking but couldn't understand why Paulo Costa was so hesitant in his second round TKO loss to Israel Adesanya at UFC 253. I think Paulo Costa was scared in this fight. Chimaev said, I don't know why people are scared to go in the cage and fight. In the gym everybody is tough, like hard sparring, then they come to the cage, they are being chicken. I don't understand this mentality. Adesanya is good in the stand-up, but nobody did wrestling against him. Yoel Romero, he only threw 3 or 4 punches in the stand-up. I can beat this guy, how is he going to come up from under me if I take him down? I don't think he will. I'm going to beat his ass. 2 of his first 3 bouts were contested at middleweight, but he will return to 170 pounds once again when he faces streaking top contender Leon Edwards in the main event of the UFC's December 19th event. Willing to compete in both weight classes at the same time, Chimaev isn't sure which title he'll get to contend for first, but is confident he can take out both welterweights champion Kamaru Usman and middleweight champ Israel Adesanya. Robert Whittaker explains problem with Khabib vs GSP fight. The problem with that, one of the 2 greatest, I think most iconic role models of the sport are gonna get their legacy tarnished a little bit, and I don't think it's needed. Whittaker said neither guy needs the money. Maybe they can fight quietly behind closed doors. Carlos Condit vs Matt Brown in the works for UFC event on January 30th. Multiple sources confirmed the matchup to MMA Fighting on Thursday, with both athletes verbally agreeing to the fight. The UFC hasn't yet made an official announcement regarding the bout. Cub Swanson vs Daniel Pineda added to UFC 256. An exciting matchup between veteran featherweights Cub Swanson and Daniel Pineda has been added to December's UFC 256 pay-per-view card. Pineda broke the fight himself on his social media as he took to his Instagram late on Wednesday evening to reveal the upcoming matchup with Swanson. For some of you who don't know Pineda, his UFC record is 27 wins, 13 losses and 2 no contests. He returned to the UFC after 6 years from the promotion in a big way back at UFC 252 in August, when he finished Herbert Burns in a big upset. Pineda fought for several promotions including Bellator, LFA and PFL before joining the UFC again. Pineda is currently unbeaten in his last 7 fights. Kelvin Gastelum calls out fellow middleweight contender Edmund Shahbazyan. He tweeted, "Hope all is well during this pandemic. Edmund Shahbazyan, I've been waiting to sign a contract and all we need is your signature. Thank you."